your eyes. Take a deep, gentle breath in and slowly exhale. Again, inhale deeply and exhale fully. With every breath, feel your body becoming lighter, your mind becoming still. You are safe, calm, and present. Now, let us imagine there is no time, no past, no future, not even this moment, just timeless presence, an eternal stillness, like an ocean without beginning, without end. Now imagine there is no space, no here, no there, no distance, no direction. Everything merges into one infinite expanse, boundless, endless, free. Now imagine there is no form, no body, no shape, no boundaries. You are not this body. You are not this mind. You are pure awareness, silent, limitless, eternal. Rest now in this state, timeless, spaceless, formless, nothing to do, nothing to achieve, just be.